Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So as we said yesterday, market right now stands at the major target, has been hit recently. So there's a 1530 monthly extension. We have the butterfly pattern in place on the monthly chart, and we yesterday have agreed to wait and see what response, what reaction on the market will follow on this target. So currently market still is forming some consolidation right below the target. Maybe it's preparing for some more extended action, but as we said yesterday as well, we will keep an eye on the consolidation and trying to catch some patterns inside of it. That's what we could do on this week, because hardly on this week we will get some significant extension either to the upside or to the downside. Potentially we could speak about the possible bearish reaction just because of the strong pattern on the monthly chart. Just can't be ignored, and probably some market response to this pattern should follow. On the daily chart we have hint on the possible bearish divergence as well with the MACD, but it has not been confirmed yet because you can see there's no crossing of the line stance yet. So once it will happen, if this divergence will hold, so we could acknowledge that indeed it has been formed, and now we could take it in as the pattern for confirmation of our thoughts. But currently we're just watching and see whether it will be formed or not. At the same time, speaking on the downward direction, we could say that on this week hardly market will drop below the 1475 area, because this is daily oversold and FIB support. So that's approximately the area the market should spend around until the end of the week, so today, tomorrow. On the intraday charts, we talked about the broadening top pattern, and we said that usually market falls in the direction of the breakout of this pattern. So because it could be as the continuation as the reversal pattern, more often the broadening tops are forming as a reversal. But for this purpose, market needs to take it out of this lows and drop below this line, so it will be some downward acceleration. But meantime, while market stands in the range of this recent reaction on the 1530 target, you can see its market, once it has been hit, market collapsed immediately. It's reaction on the profit taking, also it was reaction on the Donald Trump statement on the tariffs. But anyway, from a technical point of view, that's absolutely normal price behavior. And market right now stands inside the range of this candle, and also inside the range of the broadening top. While it stands inside of it, we said let's keep an eye on the possible patterns. The first pattern that we talked about yesterday was the possible godless triple to sell, and now it stands in place. So we'll take a look at the hourly chart. You could see here's, guys, by the way, the divergence as well. So on the hourly chart you could see this a bit steep, but this is still godless triple to sell. So we can see this A, B, C bottom OP target has been hit. Market right now stands with this pattern, and theoretically it should show downward continuation. So another pattern that we could keep an eye on. Currently it could be some extension to the downside of this large A, B, C, top, D pattern. And the first target probably we could talk about the COP as a rule, because OP will stand outside of this range, but now we're watching for a consolidation mostly, and that's why we're interested with the COP target and where it stands inside of this consolidation. It will be somewhere around 1490. So that will be possible destination of this pattern for today's session. 1490 here, it will be somewhere around here. Well, in general it corresponds to the idea of this spending some time inside of this range. So that's two tactical patterns that we will keep an eye on. First is godless triple to sell. XOP, as you can see, it stands 1537 outside of this range. It's not very suitable to us. That's why we're mostly watching for further fluctuation inside of this 4-hour time frame pattern, and possible destination point of this card is triple to sell could be 1490, where market could reach within today tomorrow session probably.